In terms of social intelligence, how does being able to predict someone's next move affect long-term attraction or interest? To answer your question directly, being able to predict someone's next move is a sign of high social intelligence, but its effect on attraction depends entirely on who is doing the predicting. If you can perfectly predict someone's every reaction, every text, and every emotional shift, it means the relationship has likely become too predictable. According to the core principles of the traffic light framework, relationships lose attraction when emotional dynamics become predictable or one-sided. Conversely, if you use your ability to predict their moves to deliberately break a pattern, you create unpredictability, which is a primary driver of curiosity and mystery. Therefore, if the person you are interested in can predict your every move, your long-term attraction will decrease, because the chase or the mystery has ended. If you use your prediction to act unexpectedly, you increase long-term interest. To use this strategically, follow these steps. Step 1. Identify the pattern. Use your social intelligence to notice if their behavior is becoming a routine. Recognize if they have become too secure in your presence, which often leads to a drop in effort. Step 2. Introduce strategic unpredictability. Once you predict their move, do not follow it. Instead of being available, use a strategic pullback. Delay your reply or end a conversation while the mood is still high to create a sense of unpredictability. Step 3. Re-establish the rhythm. After creating distance through unpredictability, wait for them to reach out. When they show genuine effort, return with warmth and way more presence, but do not stay there forever. Maintain the cycle of attention, emotion, distance, curiosity, and reconnection. The biggest mistake regarding predictability is reacting too predictably to their withdrawal or tests. For example, when a person enters a hard red light phase and pulls away, the predictable move is to chase harder, sending more messages and asking for more attention. This is a mistake because it signals that you lack emotional stability and that they have total control. Instead, the socially intelligent move is to respond with calm dignity, giving them the space they need without begging. Here is some expert advice, personal advice. Do not aim to be a constant in their life. Aim to be a dynamic in their life. A constant is something that never changes and is boring, while a dynamic is something that moves and evolves. Use your social intelligence to sense when you're becoming too certain or constant, and inject dynamics through pulling back. A simple rule to remember: predict, then pivot. Predict what they expect, then pivot to an unexpected action. The key truth: predictability kills curiosity. Curiosity fuels desire. The golden rule: master the rhythm, not the person. Do not try to control their moves. Instead, master the rhythm of connection and distance. The simple formula for interest: interest equals emotional connection divided by predictability. To increase interest, you must either increase the connection or decrease the predictability. Thank you for using the Ultimate Edition of LoveMap. Make sure to like and subscribe our LoveMap YouTube channel so you will know what the latest update on this powerful AI model.